If your ATV won't start, I've got a few tips for you to check in this video to get it going. If your ATV isn't starting, one of the first things I would check is your battery. Check the voltage and get it load tested to see if the battery still has the juice to be able to run your ATV. One of the reasons your ATV may not be starting is a faulty spark plug. Check that your plug is gapped correctly or if it needs to be replaced. Sometimes just replacing the plug with a new one will solve your spark plug issue. Make sure that your spark plug boot is secure on your spark plug. Sometimes it can get loose, or if you don't get it on there all the way and connected, it will have a bad connection and may lead to the non-start issue. Related to the spark plug is the coil wire. Now, if the coil wire end has gotten frayed or has a bad connection in it, there's not consistent power going to your plug. You can trim that coil wire back about 1/8 inch to remove any frayed wires, or if the wires got pushed back up in that rubber, you can just trim off 1/8 inch, get back to a good connection on your coil wire. Check your fuses for any broken or blown fuses that may be causing you the issue. If you have a blown fuse, your gauge may not turn on, your ATV may not start. If your starter isn't working, go check your fuses, make sure your fuses are all good. Be sure to check this video out on how to test and check your fuses. Lastly, check your starter solenoid. A faulty solenoid will just give you a clicking sound. It won't engage your starter and your ATV won't start. If you just hear a click when you hit the starter button, it may be that your starter solenoid is bad. You can check this video out here on how to replace your starter solenoid. So I hope these tips help you get your ATV going. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you guys in the next video.